Chandelier from the chandelier. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I'm here with a crazy dry face because I am demoing some new face products. So for Christmas, I got a Tatcha gift set. And I have to be honest, I hadn't heard much about this brand, and I still don't know very much, but I know that it is a Japanese brand, or at least made in Japan. And on this side, it says, beautiful faces, beautiful futures. Your purchase supports girls' education. That sounds great to me. So in this set, I'll tell you what I have, and then I'm just going to jump into using these products for the first time, giving you my first impressions. As you know from my previous videos, I have tried many masks before. I'm always on the quest to find things to help with my hyperpigmentation, slow down my acne. Ooh, I am really dry. Let me put on some chapstick, because nobody should be this dry. Anywho, in this Tatcha gift set, there's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, the Dewy Skin Cream, the Silk Canvas, which is a filter finish protective primer, and a Violet Sea Radiant Mask. So, like I said, I will be using every single product today. I'm going to start with the mask, and then I will do the skin cream to moisturize, and then I will do the silk canvas. I will put on my makeup, and then I will finish off with the dewy primer. Now, I live in Texas, so it's always humid. I'm in Southeast Texas. It's always humid, so I don't always go for dewy, because when I step outside, I'm probably going to be dewy anyway. But it is winter. It's a little less humid today. And by winter, it's like 65 degrees right now. So I'm going to see what's popping with the dewy situation, because you never know. Your girl might need another, a little glow or something. So let me grab a makeup brush to apply this mask, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and this is the mask that came in the set. And on the back of it, it does say Brightening Beautyberry, whatever that means, and dual vitamin C for all skin types, which is great. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, avoid eyes, rinse after 15 minutes. I can do that. On the inside, it is purple. It matches the container, kind of. I have a little Ulta brush. It's pretty fluffy. I just wanted something soft to go on my face, and so I'm just going to scoop a little bit out and apply it to my skin. It smells really good. Well, I'm not going to say really good. It smells kind of perfumey, which might be an issue later, but we're just going to see. Okay, so it's evenly distributed on my face for the most part. I stopped putting masks right here because the ones that dry and they get like powdery, I don't want to like inhale that powder. So I stopped putting masks right here. We're going to let this dry or let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes. It is not a hard mask. It is still very sticky, like it's dried down a little bit, but I have a feeling if I wait any longer, it's just like gonna dry into my face and I'm gonna have a hard time washing it out. So I'm gonna go wash it off right now. I'm just gonna use clean water because that's what it says. It just says to rinse after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. Also gonna use like a little towel to kind of wipe it off just a little bit, and we'll go into the moisturizer. I'm back, and now I have the Dewy Skin Cream. I really like the packaging. I like the purples, like the different hues of purples. This cream says replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. So I have combination skin, but this will be very helpful for me. So I'm just going to take a little bit and smooth this on. It's literally on my finger. A rich cream that feeds skin with plumping hydration and antioxidant-packed Japanese purple rice for a healthy, radiant look. Okay. Just gonna dot this all over. I am feeling pretty dry after washing off that mask. I thought it was gonna hydrate me some, but it didn't. But this is very hydrating. It feels really good. It still has that perfumey smell, but I will say that it does go away. At least the smell from the mask went away pretty fast. That feels really, really good on my skin. I feel moisturized. It's not too sticky. I feel like it's going to dry down really well. And then I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I like this packaging as well. It's very ritzy. I just hope that the product is as good as what the packaging looks like. A little bit about the primer. It's a filter finish protective primer, a velvety smoothing balm of pressed silk that primes and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of skin, helping to minimize clogged pores and breakouts. Dot a rice grain amount on face with fingertips and massage into skin, suitable for face, eyes, and lips. So I usually do an eyeshadow primer. I will put some of this primer on. Um, I'm sorry, I do concealer as primer, but I will put some of this primer on my eyes before my concealer whenever I do my makeup. So let's let let's let this moisturizer sit, and then we will do the primer, and then we will go into makeup. All right, so I opened this primer off camera because I had to go wash my hands. I couldn't get it open initially because my hands were too moisturized, but I got it open, and this is a solid. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a little solid pumice stone looking thing, or soapstone looking thing. So, oh my God. Oh my gosh. That's really smooth though. So I'm just going to kind of rub, super hard to see in my lighting. I'm just gonna rub a little bit from here around my face. I guess not, I don't need that much. I'm just rubbing it. It reminds me of like the balm stuff that came in that green container when I was little. I'll find a picture, I'll show you. Just like rub your finger in it a little bit. It's also going on very smooth as well. Choose a little bit for my eyes. I'm not putting this on my lips. I'm just not doing that. But I do kind of wonder, like with the liquid, with the like creamier stuff, I can just like dip my fingernail in there, like scoop it out and get out of there. With this, I'm having to rub my finger all over it, and I feel like I'm transferring bacteria into this. So, what do you think? Like, it's just a very solid, um, semi-solid base, not like a lotion. So, I hope I'm not getting germs in it. I'm pretty sure that I am, but whatevs. So, I'm going to apply my foundation and makeup off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to finish up with this Dewy Skin Mist. But this primer really does feel good. I don't know that it's minimizing my pores or anything, but it is creating a very smooth canvas to grip the makeup on. So, I'll be back. All right, guys, I am back with a full face of makeup on. I'm getting ready to walk out the door. So the last thing I need to do is spray my Dewy Skin Mist, and here's how it looks. It is a beautiful packaging. It kind of reminds me of like perfume, so I'm not sure how it's going to like dispense, but a little bit about this skin mist. A fine spray of a silky mist packed with 20% botanical oils gives skin a boost of hydration and an instant dewy glow. Just 2 to 3 spritzes can be used before makeup to prep the skin or after makeup to refresh. So we're going to do after makeup. I'm hoping that it just kind of makes the makeup melt into my skin and just look fabulous. I'm going to take some pictures afterwards so we can just kind of see what everything looks like. So, okay. Ugh. Well, it doesn't taste good. It does smell good, but it got in my mouth and it's gross. It is very much a soft mist. So something like the MAC Fix Plus is more like liquidy. This is more airy. I mean, it's kind of hard to describe. Um, I feel like the consistency of this is like it should be in a continuous spray instead of the pump sprays. All right, so you absolutely have to get it closer to your skin than other setting sprays. But this says it's for normal to dry skin. I have combination skin, so that's great. And really that's that. I feel a little bit of the dewiness. I can actually see it. Need to kind of block that in a little bit. But I'm going to take some pictures and just see how it goes. I mean, overall, I feel like this product is a quality product. I feel like I kind of want to dive a little deeper into their skincare line. But it says it's skincare for makeup lovers. I actually do enjoy makeup very much. So let me know if you tried any of these products. I'll take some pictures. I'll put them at the end. And we're just going to see. I'm very excited. So until next time, y'all have a good day.